Hello everyone, I am Jadhav Kajal Sanjay from Department of Chemistry, New Arts, Commerce and Science College, Parle. My section code is CHA 392. In that, section second is in liquid chromatography. So we are already familiar about the chromatography. So chromatography is a physical method of separation in which the components to be separated and are distributed between two phases. Which are those phases? So first is the stationary phase and second is the mobile phase. Then the chromatographic system may be considered to consist of four component part, just like a device for sample introduction. Second is the mobile phase. Then third is the stationary phase, and fourth is the detector. These four are the considered as a chromatographic system or just part as a chromatographic technique. In the liquid chromatography, that is sections second in CHA 392, there are 6 chapters is there. So let's see one by one. So our first chapter is the instrumentation of HPLC. In that chapter, some introduction of HPLC is there. Then HPLC, long form of HPLC is the high performance liquid chromatography or high pressure liquid chromatography. And then some instrumentation is there, how to work HPLC. Also there are the pumps, some HPLC instrument, that is first like just pump, then uh, types of pumps, that is stroke piston pump also there. Then some sample injectors is there, that is how to introduce the sample in HPLC also seen in that chapter. Then the solvent properties, then table of different type of organic solvent. Then some detectors, most important part is detectors, which are detector used in HPLC also seen in that instrumentation of HPLC. That is some detector, that is first is the UV detector, second is the refractive index detector, third is the fluorescence detector, then electrochemical electrochemical detectors also called as amperometric detectors, then light scattering detector, and in next part, that is in multiple detection. In the multiple detection, some column and stationary phases is there. So column is the column for the HPLC technique. Also pre column in the HPLC. Some general properties of the stationary phase. Which stationary phase are used in the HPLC are just see in that chapter. So some most important stationary phase is the silica or silica coated material is used as a in HPLC. This is our first chapter. Now second chapter is the HPLC method. Which HPLC method are used in that uh, in that chapter also seen. So first HPLC method is the adsorption chromatography. Second is the reverse phase chromatography. Let's see one by one. Just I introduce some adsorption chromatography. So in adsorption chromatography, some introduction is there. Then which normal phase of chromatography that is used in that adsorption chromatography. Some the allotropic series, then selectivity properties of the mobile phase also seen in that chapter. Some choice and optimization of the mobile phase and its application. This is all about adsorption chromatography. Second part is the reverse phase chromatography. About 5 to 6 part is there, that is types, shortly called as types. Adsorption chromatography, this is the types of chromatography. Reverse phase chromatography, then in that reverse phase chromatography, some principle of reverse phase chromatography is there. Then mobile phase in reverse phase chromatography. Which mobile phase are used in the reverse chromatography? we will discuss in that point. Then solvent selectivity and strength also discuss in that point. Then stationary phase, which stationary phase is used in the reverse phase chromatography, we will see in that point. Then method development in reverse phase chromatography and its application. Also included hydrophobic interaction chromatography in that point. Third part is the chromatography with chemically bonded phase. In that point, some introduction about this chemically bonded phase chromatography is there. Then properties of some stationary phases included chromatography with chemically bonded phase. Then hydrophilic interaction chromatography also discussed in that point. Next is the ion exchange chromatography. We are already familiar about ion exchange chromatography. Also seen in that chapter some introduction of ion exchange chromatography. We have already known how to work ion exchange chromatography. In that point, some principle of ion exchange chromatography we will discuss, and then influence of mobile phases, also special possibilities of ion exchange, practical hints and its application. Next is the ion pair chromatography. In that, introduction of ion pair chromatography is there. Then ion pair chromatography in practices and its application. Next is the ion chromatography. In that, some principle of ion chromatography is there, and then separation techniques is there, phase system and its application. Next is the size exclusion chromatography. In that, some principle of size exclusion chromatography is there. Then the calibration chromatogram also there, also seen in that point. Then some molecular mass determination by means of size exclusion chromatography. Then couple size exclusion column as well as phase system and its application. Next is the affinity chromatography. In that point, some principle of affinity chromatography is there. Then affinity chromatograph as a special case in HPLC and its application also there. Third chapter is the analytical HPLC. In that chapter, some qualitative analysis. This chapter is only 2 lectures is there about this analytical HPLC. Some qualitative analysis is there, then some trace analysis is there, then some quantitative analysis is there, then recovery, how to recover these analytical HPLC instrument also there. Also peak height and peak area determination for quantitative analysis, integration error, then the detection wavelength, derivatization, also unexpected peak, ghost and system peak. Next chapter is the separation of enantiomer. In that chapter, some introduction is there, then some chiral mobile phases is there, chiral liquid stationary phases is there, chiral solid stationary phases, then indirect separation of enantiomer is there. Let's see fifth chapter, chapter number 5, that is mass spectrometry, LC-MS interface and its application. In that chapter, we will discuss about mass spectrometry. Firstly, some interface technology. In the interface technology, some introduction about mass spectrometry, also thermospray interface, then the electron spray interface, then processing of mass spectra, and in application, molecular weight determination of small target compound, analysis of LC-MS for identification of drug metabolites, The use of high accuracy mass measurement in combination with LCMS for the structure determination of drug metabolites. Then the use of cone voltage fragmentation in conjugation with high accuracy mass measurement and LCMS for metabolite identification. Then chapter number 6 is the supercritical fluid chromatography and extraction. Supercritical fluid chromatography and extraction. In that chapter, some properties of supercritical fluid is there. Then supercritical fluid chromatography, the chapter are divided into two parts, that is SFC and SFE. So in first part SFC stand for supercritical fluid chromatography and SFE stand for supercritical fluid extraction. First part is the supercritical fluid chromatography. In that some instrumentation of SFC, that is supercritical fluid chromatography, and operating variable. So different type of operating variable is there. First is the effect of pressure, second is the stationary phases, third is the mobile phases, then detector, then comparison with other type of chromatography and its application. It is all about SFC. Our second part is SFE, that is supercritical fluid extraction. In that some advantages of SFE there, and then instrumentation of SFE is there. This is our whole syllabus. In that CHA 392 section 2nd, that is in liquid chromatography. Now in next lecture we will see about that sixth chapter. Our sixth chapter is the supercritical fluid chromatography and extraction. We will discuss about that chapter in our next lecture. Thank you.